Hi Drastic Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw Roxanne Wolf from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So let's get started. To draw this awesome wolf, let's first start by drawing her nose area. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve. A big curve that goes across. Right there. And then I'm going to come back to the center and draw her nose. And we'll just come in here with a little highlight and then shade everything else in so we know what we're working with. Then from there, I'm going to round this part off right here and go ahead and connect it with another curve. So just a little bit more shallow. And then I'm going to widen up her mouth. So let's come right about here. And I'm going to draw a deeper curve, go right back up, then come right back, and we're just going to thicken it up. There. Then from there, let's come to the center of this nose, come down, put about right here, and I'll stop to draw some lips. So I'll just curve to the center and curve out again. Then at the bottom right here, I'm going to draw a bottom lip. And then let's draw some teeth inside. So I'm going to come about right here and draw some teeth. So whatever space you have. And I'll go ahead and shade this all in. There. Okay, so now we have this all done. Let's go ahead and draw her eyes. So I'm going to come back to the top right here in this area, and I'm going to basically touch this part and draw a big oval that goes up nice and high to about right here and bring it down. And we're going to do the same thing over here. So let's come about right here. Same thing like the other side, nice and high. Right there. And bring it down. Then from there we're going to break it up, so let's come about right here towards the top and draw a curve. And let's work on this side first, and I'll draw some gorgeous lashes. So I'll draw 3 lashes right here on this curve, and then inside we're going to draw a circle, so about right here, right in the center. And draw a circle. And I'm going to come to the top right here and draw a small circle for a highlight, and then surround it with another circle and shade this part in. So this is where the color of her eyes would be when you color. So do exact same thing on the other side. I'm just going to break this up and add some lashes. And same thing. The highlight's going to go on this side and surround it. There. Okay, so then I'm going to come to the top right here and just make this part a little bit thicker, just to anchor her eyes. There. Okay, so then now that we have that part in, we need to start to frame her face. So I'm going to find my center and let's see, about right here, nice and high. Oh, you know what, before I do that, I need to draw her brow. So let's come above her eye, say about right here, right over her eye. I'm going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to zigzag and come down and shade that in. And same thing here, so just come across, same exact thing. Right over her eye. There. And then we can go ahead and find the center. So come above her brow, so say about right here. And I'm going to come up above her brow and above her brow. So same thing on this side. Right there, and then we're going to bring it down and let's come About right here, we're going to come close to her eye. And then about right, bring it down a little bit more. About right here in this area, kind of like where her eye is in this area, I'm going to start to come out and zigzag a little bit for some fur. And then I'm going to bring it all the way back to here. So we're just going to draw a curve and connect. There. Okay, so same exact thing on this side. So I'm just dragging and pulling across. I kind of know where I'm going on the other side. Zigzag and come right back. Now that we have her face all framed in, let's come about right here. We're going to draw some stripes for her. So let's come right next to her eye, and I'm going to draw a curve. And I'm going to thicken it up. And one more right here. And thicken it up. So same thing over here, right next to her eye. There. Now to draw her ear, so I'm going to come to this side about right here, and I'll just pop out a big long curve to about right here, round off the tip and come down. But before I come down, since I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, I'm going to come right here and just draw her earring, pop it in right there, and then continue. But if you're using a pencil, just finish this shape first. Then I'll come in here and thicken this up. So just follow your outside. And I think there's a little dot right there. And then on this side, we need to draw this gorgeous strand of hair first, right? So let's see here. I'm going to come to the center. I'm going to go up and come down to about right here. And then I'm going to go back up. And bring this up. Nice and high, and I'll bring it to about right here. There. And then come back about right here and just thicken it up. So just add a little curve right at the bottom. Then to draw her other ear. So just drag some points across, see what you have that you still need to draw. So we have that, and then the other ear would pop out about right here. So a little part of it, and then we'll come back down here. And so once again, just like the other side, we're going to come out right here and pop out an earring, and then continue and thicken it up. There, something like that. As long as we have an indication of it. A little bit thicker. Okay, then from there, we're going to come to the top in this space right here, and we're going to come right here and I'm just going to wobble 3 curves that come down, and then for some strands of hair that she has on the top, and I'll just bring that in, and then we're going to continue this, bring it down, and bring it down. So about right here, we'll pop out on this side. And down. So before I finish her hair, let's draw her body first, because it's going to be in the way. So let's come back down to here, and we're going to give her a little neck right here, her choker, and connect. And I'll come in here really quickly. I'll just add 3 circles just to simplify this, and then shade everything else in right there. And then for her shoulders, come out and out, and we're going to come right here, draw a little angle. This is where the arms go, right here at an angle, and then we're going to bring it in and bring it in. Then about right there, just go ahead and connect with a curve. So we've created her chest area. Then let's bring this down and down and connect. And then now we're going to go out. Then about right here in this area, I'm going to give myself a little line, and this is where her legs are going to start. So I'm going to come out on both sides. And so let's draw this part right here. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and connect it right there. And then her legs. So we're going to bring this down. Let's work on this side first. So about right here, go ahead and connect. Then we're going to pop out the bottom part right here. We're going to come out, and it's going to get a little bit wider as we come out. And about right there, round it off and come in. And just wobble to connect. Then her feet, curve, curve, and we're just going to draw 3 curves at the bottom to simplify it. And then come right here and draw 2 curves. And if you want, you can add some nails. There. Okay, so then same thing on the other side. So we're just getting the main things in first, and then we'll go in and draw all the details. So once again, same thing, round this part off, come down. So we're just following the other side. There. Okay, so then now for her arms, let's come back up right here. We're going to give her some shoulder padding right here, and then bring it in to the shape that you've created. So same thing here. So pop it out a little bit. And you know what, make this one a little too high. Too low, I mean. And then pop it in. There. Okay, so then this hand is on her hip, so in this area. I'm going to come right here and here and then angle out. So now you know where that's going to go, then we just thicken it up. Elbow, bring it in, and then we're going to angle and then pop out a finger. So then right here, just cut it off, add a little curve right here. And then here for her bracelet, so just add 2 circles right there, and then a little detail here. And on this side, I'm just having it hanging out to her side. So let's bring this down, just like the other side. So about right here. And then bring it to the sides, to about right here, and connect. And then for her fingers, round, oops, and connect. Then for some details, right there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in here and we're going to draw in all the major details now. So here and here for her top, and then 2 lines right here to break it up. Little center. Then she has this design right here. Just gonna zigzag my way across. And then shade that in, and then she has one here as well. And then she has all these zebra things going on here. And here, so just do that really quickly. And she has a belt right here. And I'll go in with some circles as well. And shade this in. And more design here. There. I'll add a curve right here. Some details here to make her more like an animatronic, right? And then she has this a little bit thicker. She has all these zebra stripes here as well. Okay, so I'll just come in here and really quickly darken everything. Oh, and then, okay, so we're finally done with that. I almost forgot we got to draw her hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's come about right here. And we're going to draw this one strand that comes out. Right here, tuck it in. And I thought we were done already. So many details, right? And then come right here. And we're going to bring this long strand. So it's going to put it about right here so it doesn't get in the way of the hand. And we're going to do the same thing here. Just curve in. Then one more strand. Just to simplify it, and then bring it in just like the other side. Let's see about right here so it doesn't get in the way of the hand. And then in between right here is where we're going to draw. We're going to make it nice and long. So let's say about right here. Just zigzag some strands so we know that her hair is coming all the way down. And hopefully I haven't missed anything too important, but that is pretty much it. And I know it's very detailed, but I really hope that I was able to help you draw her fun and easy, and that you loved it, and that if there's more Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach characters you want me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.